In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto into your Kast card. Now, this is very easy, but there are some things that you need to know before you go ahead and deposit. So I'll explain those in this video. If you still need a Kast account, then I'll leave a link in the description below. It will give you 200 Kast points, and it will also give you a discount on future cards. Okay, so open up the Kast app once you've created your account. And from here, you'll be able to click on receive in the top left-hand corner. Here you can see we can receive stablecoins, crypto, or we can even create a payment link. If you go ahead and click on crypto, you'll then be able to go to asset type, select from the drop-down menu, and you can choose any of these cryptocurrencies. For example, if we choose Bitcoin, we'll get a QR code. We'll also get an address which we can go ahead and copy. So as you can see, we've copied the Bitcoin address and we can now make a Bitcoin deposit. Now, if you look at the rules, because these are going to be important and different for each cryptocurrency, you can see that for Bitcoin, a 2% fee will be included. So when you deposit Bitcoin, they're going to charge a 2% fee for you to do that. Now with Kast as well, when you deposit a cryptocurrency, they will convert it to a stablecoin and you will see it in your balance. So if you go ahead and click on receive and then stablecoin, you'll then be able to see if you deposit in USDT, there are no fees. So sure, you can go and click receive, you can click crypto, and you can choose an asset like Bitcoin. You can deposit Bitcoin, no problem, but they will charge you a 2% fee for doing that. So Kast is better to deposit stablecoins. But nonetheless, if you want to deposit crypto, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and deposit Solana. And as you can see for Solana, it is also a 2% fee. Copy the address, then head over to your wallet of your choice. I'm going to choose Solana here. We're going to send that. I'm going to click on send in the bottom left-hand corner. We'll then paste in the address here. And I'll just send for this video $5 worth of Solana. We can then click next and confirm this transaction. And as you can see, this process is now underway. We can view the details and you will also be able to see this in your Kast account shortly. So there you go, the Kast card has now updated to $8. And if you go to accounts in the bottom left-hand corner, you will then be able to see we've received $4.90 USD. And you'll be able to see where you've received it from. So that's how you can deposit crypto in Kast card. Sign up in the link in the description.